Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about the Aldi's haul and Big Lots haul that I did with my mom-in-law. We picked up a lot of spices and some cooking oils and flavor enhancers. Now these are some of my favorite oils to use while cooking. Some extra virgin olive oil and canola, sunflower, grapeseed. Use grapeseed all the time. That's one of my favorites. Now I added more spices. You guys saw my spices in the previous video. Well, I added more. Got a lot of these at Big Lots as well as Aldi's. And I got the infamous everything bagel seasoning. I made egg salad last night for dinner. I put it in the egg salad. Oh my gosh. Made it to a whole nother level with egg salad. Let me tell you. And I love pink Himalayan salt. Now I did find black Himalayan salt. I didn't buy it. But I think I'm going to go back and get it because it's interesting. So if anyone's tried it, let me know. And here's some of our flavor enhancers that we got. Now, I didn't bring all of the bottles out and set them up on my counter because then I would have to put them all away. But I did get quite a few of each of them. So, because Sean and I are very big chicken eaters, we got, chicken wing sauce, hot sauce, obviously. Love teriyaki. And then here are our two favorite barbecue sauces. So, there's that. And then I got to show you this. Okay, I'm in my freezer out in the garage. At Aldi's, my mother-in-law found these. Okay, these roasts, if you guys can get there to Aldi's, pick up these roasts. We literally bought them out. These roasts are a nice size. And look at the price. $4.90. There's another one in here because they come in different flavors. Hang on, let me find it. Here's another one for $4.13. Okay, yeah, here's the other. This one is just barbecue, and then the other one was the carnitas. But yeah, you gotta get, and I've never had these before. But this one was $4.83. So their meats are very good prices. I normally only buy chicken, but every once in a while, a good pork roast. Come on, who can pass that up with some potatoes and some carrots and celery in the crock pot? I mean, So, and their frozen vegetables are amazing as well. This is my favorite. It's called the Prince Andrew. It's got wax beans, green beans, and carrots in it. That's one of my favorites. And then I put my butter in the freezer. I don't know if anybody else does that, along with my sugar and stuff like that. So, and then they also had this. You get chicken drumsticks and thighs for $4.25. And there's a lot of meat in there. And that will literally be like 3 meals for me and Sean. So for $4.25, you really can't beat that. So anyway, yeah. This was the Aldi's and the Big Lots haul that I wanted to share with you, with the spices and the different oils and the flavor enhancers and some of the meats that we picked up. So, if you're looking to fill up your freezers with some really great meats, I would check out Aldi's. Okay, there's something else that I want to talk to you about. Okay, hang on. Okay, I wanted to just get out of the garage because it's getting a little warm in there and I wanted to shut the freezer door. Anyway, 2 days ago, or was it 3 days ago? Something like that, okay. This is just another reason to start prepping, okay? I know I did a video on our reasons why we prep, but this is just another reason to start prepping. Here in Florida, about 45 minutes away from me and Sean, there was a horrible, horrible thing that happened in a place called Hernando Beach. At a place within Hernando Beach, there's a place called Pine Island. And at Pine Island, there were lightning strikes. Now, everyone knows that Florida is the lightning capital of the world, okay? Well, there were lightning strikes in Pine Island. And as of right now, from what I understand, it's still on fire. At last count, because I watched some of the news coverage on YouTube, and plus I looked up the sheriff's office, the Hernando County Sheriff's Office or something like that. They said that at last count, there was 185 acres that were burning, and they were having a hard time putting it out. So that's just another reason to start prepping. And, you know, when there's an island like that, there's homes around there. So there's road closures and everything. And from what I understand from the articles that I've read, there's one way on and one way off of that island. So those poor people that live there, and there's road closures. If you can get off, you might not be able to get back onto that island. So I feel so bad for them. I'm going to attach pictures of what it looks like over there, and an article that I found from the Tampa Bay Tribune. And I know one of my subscribers lives close to there or something like that. So you know, I feel really bad, and this is really terrible. You know, all those people, their homes, and all the wildlife. That's very devastating, all the wildlife. So, you know, my God, keep those people in your prayers. This is not a good time at all. And with the heat and the humidity, and we have not been getting that much rain, it'll sprinkle, and that's it. Anyway, that's all for this video. I just wanted to share that with you. Keep those people in Hernando Beach and Pine Island in your prayers and your thoughts. Send them your love. I know I have been. And that's all. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.